Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Zemismart Homekit. It works with our system at home by Apple Homekit. This is the ZMHK-01. It is a Zigbee smart home control device. It's a hub system to bring our devices, which does not have compatibility with Apple HomeKit. We're that hub here into our Apple HomeKit system. This HomeKit hub just accepts to control the Tuya standard Zigbee devices. Kindly note that no all Zigbee devices can work with this hub. Better we get the device what have certified by Zemismart, okay? The hub can control over 100 pieces devices. The app remote control. We control our HomeKit Zigbee devices anytime, anywhere with the Tuya, the Smart Life, or the Home app. We can make on and off physical keys. This physical button with LED indicator light flashing. This indicates that it can be connected to the mobile phone, for example. And of course, we have voice control too. After the HomeKit Zigbee Smart device connected to the bridge, this supports the voice control via Siri itself. It supports your standard Zigbee devices. It controls smart curtain, light, switch, sensors, etc. in HomeKit. One of the largest series device which is compatible with the HomeKit system. And we can make our smart home easier with that hub here. With this HomeKit, the Tuya multi-mode hub, we can control the most Tuya Zigbee devices in Apple Home app or in the Tuya app. We have for example, we can make compatible a smart curtain, a curtain rail, a roller shutter, or smart switches, vertical switches, two-way switches, three-way switches, or smart bulbs, spirals, vintage or LED receive ceilings, and of course sensors, door sensor, infrared detection, temperature sensors, what you like. With the Home app, we can easily and securely control our HomeKit accessories from all our Apple devices. We turn off the lights, we see who's at the door, at the front door, we adjust our living room temperature, we turn up the music, and so much. And with the new HomeKit secure video compatibility and the HomeKit enable router, it is all even more secure. The Home app makes all our connected devices work harder and smarter for us. For example, we can say, hey Siri, what's the indoor temperature now? The intelligent linkage of the home equipment realizes the voice, remote, and automatic control. Of course, not only voice control is possible, you can control your smart home from all your Apple devices. Or we can tell Siri, help me close the curtains in the living room, for example. Through Siri or Home app built in for iPhone HomePod, we can rigidly arrange the opening and closing services of semi-smart intelligent curtains. Of course, we can also call Siri to serve us. With a smart home hub, with an iPhone, and an intelligent thermometer, for example. Or we can switch on and off the light. We simple and secure control of the smart devices at home through the Siri or Home app built in iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and AirPods, HomePods. Everything is linked together and it's secure and efficient data transmission. This is the ZMHK-01 connect to the internet with a network cable. Remote control, scene operation and equipment linkage are more stable and efficient. It's equipped with a Tuya Zigbee 3.0. The response speed is faster and the control is smoother. It's simple and light design. It's fit a variety of interior styles. Lightweight and thin, flat placement does not take up a lot of space. And a simple design makes the Zemismart Smart Multi-Mode Gateway look so suitable wherever we are. The shell is made of UV-resistant material, which is not easy to fade after long-term use. At the same time, it has passed the numbers of reliability tests to ensure the device's life of the product is long. Impact test, temperature test, corrosion protection test, Apple Homekit certification, Wi-Fi test, Zigbee certification, everything is possible. The first step is we connect the power and the network cable to that device. Then we use the Apple Homekit to scan the QR code on the manual or on the device. We add a coding to other smart devices, job's done. The Zemismart Multi-Mode Gateway Smart Home Bridge has awesome parameters: 90 to 21 millimeters, 5 volt, 1 ampere, rated power, temperatures from -5 up to 50 degrees Celsius, the working temperatures from 0% up to 95% RH, no condensation, okay? The supporting system is Android 5.0 or iOS 12 and above. You can see it's awesome because this will let your smart home a lot of more smart be. To make it to connect it to the HomeKit app, we connect the gateway to the power supply and connect the family 2.4 GHz band router through the network cable. If you have a 5 GHz network, it's no problem. Every router with 5 GHz can send the 2.42. We confirm the network indicator red light. It is always on. If the indicator is on, the stay long, press the reset button until the red light is on. And we make sure that the mobile phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz band router. At this time, the mobile phone and the gateway are in the same local area network. We open the HomeKit app and click to plus. Then we scan the QR code on the HomeKit tab. Nearly job's done. That's all. Then you are entered this bridge into your smart home. Then we can add a new equipment. Any new Zigbee device can be edited. Only devices that have passed the Tuya certification, the device connected to the Tuya app, will appear in the HomeKit app control interface. We press the reset button once on the HomeKit to enter the search mode. The light flashes. The HomeKit app control interface automatically pops up the new device that needs to be connected. We make sure that the new device is in waiting state, of course. After connecting the new device, we need to press the reset button again to stop searching and the connection is completed. That's all, and then this device is inside your smart home at home in the Apple HomeKit. Of course, you can also use the Tuya app. With the Tuya app, you will connect this bridge to the Tuya app itself, and after this, you can add new equipment to the Tuya app and makes the same by using the Tuya app. So you can control it with your app or with the Apple HomeKit system. This is awesome. This brings you an intelligent life start from here with Zemismart awesome app. It's a nice app, a bridge for your Apple home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.